Chainlink is one such convention, which comes to the cover page of information with the ascent of DeFi projects, which is genuinely huge. Chainlink's local resource connection has amassed a huge gathering of energetic supporters, including famous people and industry proficients, among others, or so they thought. The altcoin is as of now cruising the harder tides, for a kind of short time frame now, with a portion of a year ahead. Advertisers are confident of connection cost lighting more significant levels. In this article, we bring to you the value expectation and market examination for 2022 and their lock-in, as we decipher the conceivable cost expectations for Chainlink. Chainlink value expectation for 2022. Connect cost has advanced toward 2022 on a genuinely negative note, with a sticker price of $19.07, which is very huge. Notwithstanding, good faith among financial backers prompted a solid spike in volumes, inviting a 50.5% ascent on January 9. With bears offsetting the bulls with the beginning of another week. The cost took a downswing to $13.53 by the 24th of January, while the altcoin represented a bounce back to $19.54 by the 9th of February. FUD and nervousness from international strain and rate climbs prompted one more dive to the bottoms of $11.46, which really is genuinely huge, all things considered. The advanced resource had ended the primary quarter at $18.16. The subsequent quarter has been unpleasant for connection. The altcoin has lost more than 65% starting from the beginning of the quarter. Interface value expectation for Q3. Chainlink truly has prearranged twofold digit acquires over the course of the last week. The spike in volumes was significantly credited by the expansion in partner movement, in the wake of partaking in the highs at $8.46. The altcoin explicitly is as of now changing hands at $7.85. All things considered, a spike in volumes could close the quarter at $8.37. On the extremely flip side, the potential low and normal cost could happen at $7.76 and $8.07 individual. Chainlink crypto value expectation for Q4. In a new organization, Quick has certainly held hands with Chainlink to foster a proof of idea system, which is genuinely huge. The tech would really permit ordinary monetary foundations to incorporate blockchain innovation progressively. Overpowering reaction from the coordinated effort could essentially push the cost to a limit of $11.28, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, on the drawback, the altcoin could descend to $8.19. Progressively, the crypto resource could penetrate normal degrees of $9.74. Connect crypto value figure for 2023 in a significant manner. In the event that the organization supports the award levels for its hubs, it could get new hubs marking its token. This could close the yearly exchange on a bullish note at $19.55, notwithstanding being a straightforward convention. With pretty common trading pressures, Connection could guarantee its typical cost at $15.15, in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the other side, fundamentally bad analysis and the absence of volumes could land the cost of the advanced coin at $10.40. Chainlink coin value expectation for 2024. Chainlink could find more current receptions and purchasers, assuming the creators carry out formative and local area building drives. In such a case, the cost of Connection could push to its expected high of $34.40 toward the finish of 2024. Conversely, ebbing position in the business and negative analysis could drag the value down to $17.43 in an unpretentious manner. That being said, the standard cost could happen at $26.03. Chainlink value expectation for 2025. Toward the finish of 2025, with additional organizations, a huge depository of save reserves, and a popular help, the stage could be very much ready to deal with any difficulties that might manifest in time. With new updates and associations with APIs, the utility token can be on cards with a kind of limit of $56.97 toward the finish of 2025. Then again, assuming the market declines because of debates on customary cryptos and blockchain, following especially different monetary standards, interface cost may likewise take a plunge to $29.27. On the off chance that savvy agreements can flawlessly handle throughout the long term, then, at that point, the altcoin could move at a normal of $43.36. Network was established in September 2014 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis. The plan of action in a real sense centers around the making of savvy contracts for the rest of the world. Chainlink plans to decentralize the web to overcome any issues among blockchains and the applications that exist in reality. It has a decentralized network of profits so that shrewd agreements can securely collaborate with off-chain stages. Chainlink hub administrators separate information from off-chain frameworks and convert it into blockchain-viable organizations. They generally are granted connection digital money, an ERC20 token in light of Ethereum as per the designers. The cost of connection is firmly related to the quantity of hub administrators. The connection token powers the cycle and goes about as the blockchain's energizing specialist, principal examination in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, chainlink turn out all the while for information transformation. The work could sound difficult in a genuinely significant manner. Be that as it may, in all actuality, it includes only 3 stages, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Starting the interaction, a shrewd agreement demands information when required. The connection convention gets the solicitation and produces a chainlink administration level understanding. In the meantime, the arrangement will additionally create 3 different agreements, one for notoriety, which will actually look at the profit and confirm it. Furthermore, the following agreement goes about as an extension between the solicitation contract and the hubs that take the solicitations in a significant manner. The interpretation of off-chain to on-chain information as well as the other way around is dealt with by the Chainlink Center. The solicitation is switched over completely to an off-chain structure with the goal that the continuous data can get the information by means of a programming interface. After the precise data really is at the hubs, they are by and large additionally deciphered to on a fixed language and conveyed to the hubs. Our Chainlink value forecasts. Chainlink has the intrinsic capacity to extend brilliant agreements, permitting information availability for occasions and exchanges, which is very critical. Positive thinking is by all accounts finding the intensity on a really long-haul cost estimate for the stage incredibly. Formed expectation, assuming the organization refreshes in cryptography and most certainly begins new associations. Interface cost could arrive at a limit of $11. On the other side, numerous pundits essentially have started scrutinizing the motivation behind connection tokens in the undertaking. On the off chance that it perseveres, and different VIPs demonstrate a supporting assertion, the cost could get distressed and plunge to $8.20. Verifiable market feelings. 2017 in an unpretentious manner. Connection was supported with an ICO and figured out how to for the most part bring $32 million up in September 2017. During its confidential symbolic deal crusade. Connection cost 9 cents per token and 11 cents during its public deal, 2018. Then, at that point, in the year 2018, the coin had a decent beginning multiplying from 15 cents to 43 cents per coin. It had a few cost climbs, which expanded the cost of the money to $1. 2020 in an unobtrusive manner. Chainlink saw a huge cost development going from January to February, as it developed from $1.74 to $4.60. It took a tumble to $1.74 in spring. However, it was in April when it moved back to $3 incredibly. On July 7th, the connection cost went through a great flood to its ATH of $5.60. Once more by exceptionally late September 2020, it really saw a pullback prior to starting its move into October. After every one of the motions, Chainlink was seen exchanging at $11.14 toward the finish of 2020. 2021. Connection cost had started its spat January with an exchanging worth of $11.05, following a steady, truly difficult trip.